Hey everyone, it's Neil. If you've been following along, you know I've been getting different pieces and parts for my biking safari trip that I'm going on in a couple of weeks. And so I got these. These are gloves. So I got size large. These are Zonyee half finger cycling gloves for men or women. And I got size large. My hands aren't enormous, but we'll see how these things fit. Let's try this on. Yeah, this is definitely my size. So there we go. So that's what it is. And it feels like it's got a nice padding with a grip on there. And I still have my fingers free to be able to do what I need to. Let's see how these things look. It's got a hole right there. So I guess if you need some sweat or something from there, let's see how this is. Oh, it's kind of nice. It's got these little tabs. You see the tabs right there? So it'll pull the fingers off. Very cool. Very nice there. Let's see. Yeah, it seems pretty well made. Yep, size large. And these are them, and it's got a decent Velcro one. And King Claw. Let's just try on the other hand just for fun. And yep, that's gonna fit too. So these are nice. I'm gonna say these gloves are a thumbs up for me. Very nice. I mean, you know, you can see it's got a little flap there, but I guess that's, you know, I'm gonna be just riding on it anyway. These are gonna get gross, sweating and whatever. Very nice for a good price and nice feeling gloves. So thumbs up from me. I'm going to put a link in the description. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.